I'm Sara from Finer Details. I'm a professional organiser and I'm just sharing with you my own home declutter. So we're just about to go into 2011 and I always do a declutter and clean just before then. I've done my kitchen, I've done my dining room, and I'm now moving into my living room. Now, unfortunately, the light is in the wrong spot through the window, so I've had to shut the curtains, so it looks a bit dark, but it's still light out there. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is remove everything off the top, make sure it's safe. This is a bowl that I use just to keep my keys in. It's also a decorative bowl. The front door is just behind the camera, and there is the back door behind that curtain, so a good spot to keep it. Okay, I'll start with the drawers. A pack of playing cards. This is where I keep all my games, so a good place to keep it. Some binoculars, bird watching, good place to keep it. I know what's in here. This is my foreign currency, so when I go travelling, I know it's in here, so I will leave it in here. And this is part of the game, so I keep it. Nothing to get rid of in there. In this drawer, just a pack of emery boards, not the correct place to keep them, so I will put them to the side and put them away later. So inside, another pack of playing cards, so I'll just pop those with the other ones. This is one of my favourite games, Read. I will put those cards, small game, easier to stay in a drawer. This is a pair of binoculars. These were left to me by my father, so a bit of memorabilia. I would use them if I wanted to see something. They are very good binoculars, but I would use them rarely. I will keep them because then all binoculars are together, so I will still keep them in here. Game of dominoes. Haven't played this in years. This is a donate. This is a game that goes, I don't actually know what it's called, but the beads are in here. So what I might do, I've got a drawer that's empty, so I will keep those together in there. Travel Scrabble. Haven't played that in years. I will donate it. Trivial Pursuit. I am very bad at this game, but I enjoy it. I will keep it. A box with memorabilia in it. Marionettes from Mexico. I will keep these, but I will put them in a memorabilia box. This is a fantastic blanket for winter time. This is where I keep my winter blankets, right by the sofa, so that will be going back in. Play on words. Okay, this is a game that is in here. I will keep those together to travel. And that's part of the same game. So I've got all my travel games in here. This is a pair of binoculars. I hardly ever use binoculars, so I need to have a look, see which is the best pair and donate the other ones. This is another travel game. Othello, another travel game. I will put that in here as well. Pictionary, another game I love but I'm not very good at. And of course, classic Monopoly. I will keep that. So most of this is going to go back in. There's just a couple of things to donate and a couple of things to put elsewhere. And that's it. I will put everything back. Alright, thanks.